If you made it to this video because you downloaded my action figure prompt guide, welcome, welcome, welcome. At this point, you should have your prompt already edited and ready to go. Now let's go over to Chat GPT and we're going to copy our prompt and paste it over in Sora. This is the explore page on Sora. You use the same email and password that you use on Chat GPT to log in on here. You'll see a bar at the bottom and this is where we're going to copy and paste our prompt. We're also going to upload our picture here. You're going to press the plus sign after you paste your prompt. After you click the plus sign, you're going to choose from gallery, go over to uploads and click start new upload. Wait a couple of seconds, and once you see your image, click on it, then hit use selected media. Now that you have everything in place, the next step is to hit remix at the bottom. Your image should take about a minute or so to generate. Once it generates, go up to the top and click download. If you haven't already downloaded my action figure prompt guide, it's going to be in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, follow, all the things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. This prompt guide is totally free. All I ask is that you subscribe. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you.